Gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni wa mutola muti speaker wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Masako Mwandu Ann Kiusya kwa kila waweta twakudhukuma na kikono na kulikilila mawalani maudhukumi wa mbunge na kutuma mitalatala ya kumauna enende itavitukithwa uwe ukevindani jila mitalatala ila yivaniwo vitukithwa kwi umundi wivo ula wawe kwatio fund na muswada ADP itana vitukithwa itina speaker kana kukuisya sikalo sya mbunge na kukulia ukaliko wa ala anini na ala aingi withiwe na kikalo cha kwitia kikalo kingi kimwanya. Daniel Mwongela nukutuelesya.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Masako ni wa mutula muti speaker wa kila mwetakana ni withi twenda thukuma na kikono na kwi umundi kwa mawitu kithia mitalatala ya vata ivo ila ya mawalini ma maendeo kana ADP na muswada ungi ula wivani ukutethesya amwitu ungu wa kinandu cha wikwatio fund.
Toka public participation. Ila toka public participation. Mwananchi ni mtu nenga ila yita annual development plan. Ithia ni atwa ye county assembly ila ya ilo twawa. In fact I think it was September. Ni atwa ye September county assembly. Nikenda annual development plan ye kiata ibe tukijwe. Na kuma September tia maina ya assembly. You ni yokie ye kiwangi kwa special gazettement umundi nikenda ibe tukijwe. Speaker no wanzenya na ni wanzenya muno kungamia kindu takiu ni wanzenya muno ayasya ni ikiwe special sitting enge special sitting ni gazeti yao na ya gazeti wa na agenda sionthe ila sia ile kwikata kunene wa muthenyosu esu ye imwe na yu asya majority na minority mathi meka lendingi manenga ne muthenyongi wa chao wa gazetment esu ni kwa nanga mbesa sia mwene nthi yani muthenyosu ni mekuiwa na wosu onthe meali othuko momundi kila kingi ma difa we kwatio fund na we kwatio fund ye lo bitu kithio mundi nikenda ibeti sito na siana sito inengwe mbesa singwe itonya kukuna biashara sio yune kolia speakers na members ma assembly alame ukita kindu kiki inyo no mwendete ando mama sako no muku ya kiyo cha siana sito no muku ya kiyo cha ibeti sito mutongoi dalidiana ngo ulidiana akili no yeka siendo weka asiendo ila wese nisia otethia mwenende tiko ima mwenende nondo nake ngai ndendete mundu kuima ando make niendo tongi assembly members ameva amubea meva nakwa they were ready kubitukithia ona mainewa ni makune chao kula mainewa ni makune kula cha kitakuwa nikidifaiwe na maimantha muthenyongi wa city
wevindani yu ni wandea na uthingila kana kila mutongoi evala wini wendite kwitha na wendi wa enenthimbe na kwamba umba ivathukanio cia kisiasa ute nikenda enenthi ma Masako mavikie kutetheka
wanesa so kila ngwasya kwa mundu wina kaona mundu kila mundu ni ye interest yake ute na tii andu ma Masako mbe
ni uneni ulawa kwa tambau ni munini wa speaker mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masako ondu mwana ndongo yala ngi mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masako alama senga yuluwa etambela yoswe ni speaker wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Masako kuweise sikalo na mbunge kwitha yivani unena nisia mitala telesu na kumevitukithia kwi umundi.
She did not quote any standing order when she was deferring the business of the day. I am still wondering what standing orders she used, because these members you see here, were ready to continue with the business of the day until as late as midnight, so that we give the people of Machakos two important documents. One, the annual development plan. Number two, and most critically, is a bill that was going to anchor a quatio fund into the law.
Unfortunately, with all the members of County Assembly present, she still chose to defer some of the businesses. We don't know the reason as to why, and according to our standing orders, it is through a resolution of members that a business can be either deferred to another different day.
Daniel Mwonkela, Mutungo TV, kuva mwakwa wa White House County ni Masako.